Today I'll walk you through how to create a dashboard in Jira, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your own dashboard so you can visualize your project data effectively. First, let's open your Jira dashboard. If you're logged into Jira, you'll typically land on your main dashboard. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. Next, go to the left sidebar of your Jira interface. This sidebar contains various sections that help you navigate through your projects and tasks. Look for the section labeled Dashboards. Now, hover over the Dashboard section. As you do this, you should see a plus icon appear next to it. Click the plus icon to initiate the creation of a new dashboard. This is like opening a blank canvas where you can display all your important metrics. Once your empty dashboard is created, you will see a Gadgets sidebar on the right side of your screen. Gadgets are the building blocks of your dashboard, allowing you to display various types of information. In the Gadgets sidebar, use the search bar to find specific reports or charts. You might look for options like pie chart, filter results, or created versus resolved. This search function makes it easy to find exactly what you need. When you find a gadget you want to include, click the Add button next to it. This action will place the gadget onto your dashboard, bringing your data to life. Now that you have some gadgets on your dashboard, you can rearrange them. Click and drag the gadgets across the dashboard to position them where you prefer. Think of this as arranging furniture in a room to create a comfortable space for your data. Lastly, you can resize or minimize the gadgets. Use the gadget controls to prioritize key information by maximizing certain widgets or minimizing others. This way, you can focus on what matters most, and there you have it. You've successfully created a dashboard in Jira. Remember, dashboards are a powerful way to visualize your project data and keep track of your progress. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.